Welcome to LearnMazing. Learning is amazing. Before doing this problem, let's discuss some simple division. What is 63 divided by 5? This question is easy. The answer is 12 with a remainder of 3. Just a reminder, the remainder must be smaller than the divisor. Now, if we express the relationship above in this form, we will have 63 equals 5 times 12 plus 3. Dividing by 5, we get 63 over 5 equal 12 plus 3 over 5. Look at this structure. On the left side of the equal sign, we have the dividend and the divisor. And on the right side, it's split into an integer plus a fraction, where the integer is the quotient and the numerator of the fraction is the remainder. Keep this structure in mind. Now, let's perform polynomial division. F of x divided by g of x. Suppose its quotient is q of x and the remainder is r of x. Here, the degree of the remainder must be lower than the degree of the divisor. Now, we write this division as f of x equals g of x times q of x plus r of x. And then f of x over g of x equals q of x plus r of x over g of x. Seems familiar? This is the same structure as the one before. Let f and g be the yellow part and blue part respectively. Plug them into the equation. Look at the 4 choices. Don't they perfectly match the right side of the equal sign? So, this question is asking for q of x and r of x. Let's calculate r of x. Since we will rather avoid complicated fractions, we will be focusing on the green equation and replace g of x with x plus 2. In this division, g of x is the divisor and r of x is the remainder. Since the degree of g of x is 1, the degree of r of x can only be 0. In other words, r of x is a constant. Now, substitute x equals negative 2. Why negative 2? If x equals negative 2, the divisor becomes 0, so we don't need to calculate it anymore. Therefore, r equals f of negative 2. Finally, we calculate f of negative 2 equals negative 2 to the power 2 plus 5 times negative 2 plus 10 equals 4. Among the 4 choices, only choice D's remainder matches it. So choice D is correct. However, there's a restriction when using this method. The divisor must be linear, meaning the degree is 1. If not, r of x may not necessarily be a constant.